Ever feel the primal urge to disappear into the wild? Observing life from the tiniest spring blossoms to the towering emerald canopies above. Witness the rhythmic pulse of the tides and the wind whispering through the trees. Here we find a nimble inhabitant navigating the high-rise branches with ease. The forest floor transforms into a different world entirely when the sun hits just right. Navigating through these verdant tunnels, every mile becomes a journey of discovery.